Good morning, students. Let's start today's class with a math puzzle. Are you ready to solve it? Yes. If you perform all the operations that are indicated and end up with the number 97 in the circle, what number did you start with? Your time starts now. Yes, very good. The answer is the number 6. 6 8s are 48. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 into 5 is 110. 110 minus 13 is 97. In the previous class, we have learned area and perimeter in the measurement chapter. In today's class, we are going to solve problems based on that. Exercise 3.3, sixth question. A wheel by making 1000 revolutions crosses as a distance 88 km. Find the diameter of the wheel. How do we solve this one? This is a wheel. It's given that by making 1000 revolutions as a distance 88 km. So for 1000 revolutions, the distance is 88 km. Now they ask you to find the diameter of the wheel. So this AB is the diameter of the wheel. So 1000 revolutions crosses as a distance 88 km. So which is equal to, you can write this one in meter, that is 88,000 meter. Then for one revolution, the distance is 88,000 divided by 1000. What's the answer? Yes, 88 meter. So it crosses as a distance of 88 meter for one revolution. So what is this one? This revolution is nothing but perimeter of the circle. So 2 pi r is equal to 88 meter. So from this we can find the value of r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 88. We have to find the value of r here. So keep this r alone in your left hand side. Move the remaining things to the right hand side of the equations. So 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So now you can cancel this one. 1 2 is 2 here. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Again 122 is 22. 2 22s are 44. So the value of r is 14 meter. So what they ask you to find? In the question they ask you to find the diameter of the wheel. Here we have found the value of r is 14 meter. From this, how will you find the diameter? This diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. It is equal to 2 into 14 meter. So what's the value of 2 into 14? It's 28 meter. So diameter of the wheel is 28 meter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Question number 9. The area of a semicircle is 308 square centimeter. Find its perimeter. So here the area of a semicircle is given as 308 centimeter square. Here the semicircle, this is a semicircle, this is the radius. This area is given as 308 centimeter square. What's the first step? Is through this area we can find the value of R. With the help of this R, we can find the perimeter of this semicircle. Shall we start to do? Yes. Area of the semicircle is given as 308 centimeter square. What's the formula to find area of the semicircle? Yes, that is 1 by 2 pi r square. This 1 by 2 pi r square value is given as 308 centimeter square. So 1 by 2 into what's the value of pi? It's 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 308. So here we are going to find the value of this r. So keep this r alone in your left hand side. Move the remaining things to the right hand side of the equation. So r square is equal to 308. So this 2 and 7, here it is in the denominator. When it goes to that side, it comes in the numerator. So this 22, you have to write it in the denominator. Now you have to simplify this one. 1 2 is 2. Here 11 2s are 22. Now you can cancel this one by 11 tables. 1 11 is 11. Here 2 11s are 22. Remaining 8 will be there. 8 11s are 88. So r square is equal to 28 into 7. Now we can factorize the number 28. So it will be 14. Now again with 2 tables you will get 7. So you can write the number 28 as 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Again here 1 7 is there. So you can write this one as such. R is equal to this square. When it comes to this side, it becomes square root 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So for this 2 2's, we have to take one 2 outside, and here we have to take one 7 outside. So R is equal to 14 centimeter. What is the next step? The question, they ask you to find the perimeter of this semicircle. Now we have to find the perimeter of this semicircle. What is the formula to find the perimeter of the semicircle? So perimeter of the semicircle is equal to 2r plus pi r units. So now you can substitute the value of r as 14. 2 into 14 plus, what's the value of pi? Yes, that is 22 by 7 into r is 14. Here the unit is centimeter. I can simplify this one. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. 2 into 14 is 28 plus 22 into 2 is 44 centimeter. I have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12. remaining 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 72 centimeter. So perimeter of the semicircle is 72 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us recall what you have learnt in today's class. Here, revolution means that perimeter of this circle. So, as the first step, you have to find the value of r. Then 2 times the value of r is the diameter of the wheel. So what's the formula to find the perimeter of the circle? Yes, that is 2 pi r units. What's the formula to find the diameter of the wheel? Diameter is equal to 2r. The area of the semicircle is given in the question and they ask you to find the perimeter. So through this area we can find the value of r. Now we can substitute the value of r here and find the perimeter. What's the formula to find the area of the semicircle? Yes, that is 1 by 2 pi r square units. What's the formula to find the perimeter of the semicircle? Yes, that is 2r plus pi r units. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.